Hey, it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right. Queen of the Grenadines. Now, if anyone who knows me, they know that I love me some Selena Quintanilla Perez. Yes, hence all the red and the red lipstick. So I figured she had so many iconic looks. I figured I'd try at least 4 of my faves from her. And so I'm going to start off with her famous slick back bun, the one that has the really cool like twirly baby hairs. I don't know what that's called, but it's really cool and I love when she does it. So I'm going to give it a whirl myself. I'm going to teach you how to do it along the way. Now, trying to do the little swirl proved to be a lot more difficult than I anticipated. You're definitely going to need some gel for this. And the gel that I had a lot of, I don't know, moisture. It wasn't really sticky or tacky the way that would have helped with this. But I made it work. Trust and believe I made it work. It doesn't look like it right now, but it's going to come through. So, yeah, you just pull a little piece of your hair out after you slick your hair back. And it would be easier if you have a rat tooth comb to do this as well. I was sitting here using this big gigantic wide tooth comb, and as you can see, it's giving me issues. So, but yeah, definitely get yourself a rat tooth comb or a bobby pin or something to make this part a little bit more easy. But you see, I made it work, kind of. Yeah, a little something. So get that part together, and we're gonna make it come together. Watch. And now this part, you could either leave it that way or you can make it twirl as well. I think I like it twirled. I always wondered what made her do that. I always thought that was really cool. She has so many iconic looks. And it's definitely a fave of mine. I've been loving her since '95. Unfortunately, after she passed, but I didn't know about her until then. But to any of you who like Selena a lot, when did you fall in love? When did you start to dig her? Was it after the fact, or did you know her or know about her beforehand? It was sad how she went out of here. You can never trust so many people. You can't trust really anybody. But it was just really, really sad for her to lose her life at such a young age. But she gave us so many iconic looks and songs, and not only with hair but clothes, and just stylish. As you can see, I messed up again. Look at that. This little swirl was giving me heck. It was giving me heck a Rooney. Like I said, get you a better gel, because the gel that I had sucked. Look at this. Just pathetic. No, that is just awful. I don't know what was going on with that. Put down your favorite Selena looks and hairstyles. I'm curious because she had so many to choose from. You know, both clothes and hairstyles. Like, one of my favorite outfits of hers, it's kind of hard to even she has so many. I think my favorite one is the one with the red and black, and with the straps that kind of look like a pentagram. But that outfit was so cool to me. And the fact that she made her own clothes and designed her own clothes, like, she was very, very talented. She was just such a fave. I love her. I do. Trying to get this look together, as you can see. I think it's coming together. What do you think? I could have left it that way, but no. We have to make it into a bun. So, yeah, let's just take Now my hair was already in a different hairstyle So I just took the braid and just put it in a bun. But I would suggest that you use... Oh, no, we couldn't do that. No. Yeah, I took that puppy right on out. Okay, so instead I opted to do the traditional bun the way that it was meant to be. And so we're going to use that using the donut bun method. And you can either buy these at your local hair store, but this one I had actually made. I had made mine with the, what was that? A stocking, excuse me. Stocking and a sock. And, yeah, there's a way to use that and turn it into a donut roll. And you just put that right on over your ponytail, as you can see that I did. And you can brush your hair out or comb it out so it's a little bit smoother. And then you just wrap it around. You wrap it around the donut and you tuck it up under. I might do a tutorial in case you couldn't really see what I did there. But yeah, we did that with the donut bun. I think that is a little bit more closer to what Selena had. And I like it better. Yeah, I like that. Here we go. Now with this one, this is one of my favorite hairstyles from Selena, which is the up and down do. Now I could have did this with my own hair, but I didn't feel like going through the process of having to braid my hair and then, you know, get it to wave up on its own. That was going to take too much time. So I just took a wig that I already had that I rarely use, and I was like, maybe I can achieve it with this look. And so as you can see, this thing gave me so many issues. It's coming off my head. Like, I don't even know. That's why I don't wear this thing, because it was giving me so many problems. And even trying to show you what to do. But next time I will probably wear my own hair for this. But just showing you what to do if you happen to have a wig around. Hopefully your wig actually fits on your head better. And it's not slatting all over the place. Obviously the clips were not working. And this thing was just giving me heck. Look at it. Look at this. I look like Howard Stern. Come on now. And then on top of it, it kept tangling. But we're going to make it work. Mama's going to make it work. I'm going to tell you that now. We're going to make it work. But just as you can see, I was having so many, you see it? So many issues. So many. And so, but hopefully your wig won't have you looking like Howard Stern and giving you all these issues. But yeah. Look at that. The freaking band was showing. Like, what was I thinking? Okay, see, it's trying to come through. She trying to do her thing. I see you coming through. I see it. The spirit of Selena's kind of coming through to help me out a little bit, so I don't embarrass myself too much. But yeah, this is one of my favorite hairstyles from Selena when it's done correctly. Like I said, I would probably do this with my own hair when I have more time to set the wave and make it come together. But I think it's coming together for what I had to work with. And yeah, like I said, this wig sucks. Like, I wouldn't suggest this thing. That's probably why I never wear it. But I think we kind of achieved what we were going for. A little something. I see you coming through, mama. Hey. Kinda. What do y'all think? So in the comments, let me know which of these looks that you like that I tried to recreate. One or two so far. I feel like it's kind of giving what it's supposed to, just a little bit. Yeah, just a little fun. I see you. Spicy Latina flair. I see you coming through. Ah. No. I think it's the angles. It depends. She tried. Okay, now with this one, I needed another wig. And this was for a wig that I had. You see me trying to have a bustier. Trying to. It's just a regular bra, but I tried to give y'all the feels, okay? But anyway, I had another wig. It was a lace front that I had for a while. And I'm a person, I don't know how to do a lace front. I don't know how to lay them. I don't know how to secure them. I don't really wear these things all like that. But I had this specifically because I do love the whole Selena bang, the traditional bang look that she has. And because I don't want to cut my own hair, I don't want to cut my own bangs, I just chose to get this wig to recreate it for whenever I want to have that look. Now, as you can see, this wig too was giving me a lot of issues. The bangs I had cut these a while ago, and they were still too long. And as you can see, it's all in my mouth, all in my eyeballs. This wig has been put up for so long, it just did not want to cooperate. It was giving me hecky. But if you're gonna do this, if you don't mind cutting your hair and your bangs, by all means. But if you happen to have a wig that you don't really care too much about, then, you know, you could probably just mess with this like how I mess with mine. Like I said, a rat tooth comb would have did so much better than this freaking wide tooth one. I had to put some gel. I had to put a little bit of gel on this bang, as you can see, to keep it together because it kept separating. But I feel like it's starting to come through a little bit. As you can see, the little straggly hair is still giving me some issues, yes. But she's trying to come through. I see you a little bit. I see you. She's helping me out, y'all. Y'all might not want to believe it, but she's helping me out. She didn't want me to embarrass myself too much, okay? But it's coming through. One reason I do like this wig, though, is because it has a natural texture to it that I feel like kind of resembles my hair a little bit. And it resembles, to me, black hair, black textured hair when it's blown out. So I do like that, because I'm not a fan of extremely straight, like yucky type hair. I don't really care for that look too much. And I'm not even a person that wears my hair straight often. I like more of a kink to my hair. But this is just for times when I just want to try something different, you know. But as you can see, you gotta be careful with that lace showing. My gel was not working because I have the worst gel in the world. I did not have that. I was using the kind of has, what's it called? It has olive oil in it. And I don't know if that was the reason why it wasn't holding. But she was giving me issues, okay? But we're gonna make it work. We are going to make this work. But yeah, how do y'all feel about bangs? But I feel like bangs get a bad rap. I don't know why. I think bangs are pretty. I mean, ever since the Bang song came out, it's like people are ashamed to wear their bangs. What's wrong with bangs? Could y'all put down in the comment section what is wrong with a bang? Because I don't see nothing wrong with it. Hey, I like it, like it, like it. Oh. Come on, laugh, Lord. Yes, I like it. Yes. Now, for our final look of the evening, it is one of my favorites, and that is the classic, sophisticated updo, the elegance, no me queda más updo with the what? I don't even know what that would be called. Those little rolls that's at the top of her head. I love it. It's such an elegant look, and it's such an iconic look, and you know, it's perfect for proms, perfect for when you just want to feel like you're on your rich white lady thing. no, we ain't even gonna go there. But anyway, that's definitely one of my favorite Selena hairstyles, and I used to wear it all the time, especially back in high school. Yes, I was tired. Especially back in high school. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm supposed to be telling you this. Put the donut bun on. And you're going to take your hair. Now, what I suggest is, because where I messed up on this is that I've used too big of hair. Take smaller sections of hair. Comb it out. And you're going to basically fold it under. Like I said, I used too much hair right here. This was too big. So learn from my mistakes and make your pieces smaller and skinnier. because then you'll end up using too much hair and then you won't be able to fill out this updo bun. So yeah, just roll it under, get you a bobby pin, and shove that sucker on up in there. Be sure not to stab yourself in the brain. Yes, my arms were tired. See how big it is in the front? I used way too much hair. Like I said, make those smaller. But it's still the same concept. Just brush it out, comb it out, and then fold it under. Yes. And we will repeat that all the way around. Yeah. See, it's not supposed to have that, it's supposed to look separated. But like I said, that's my fault. It's okay though. We still gonna make this work. It's still gonna look cute and it's still going to do what it's supposed to do. The assignment has not been failed. As you can see, I got tired of combing it out. I did not feel like combing it out. And frankly, it was okay. I didn't really need it. So yeah, you're just going to do the same thing that you did at the bottom. But you're going to do it on the top. You're going to connect your bobby pins from the top roll to the bottom one. You might need more than one pin to hold those. So just bring it forward. When you're folding them over, fold it over forward, not backwards, forward. See, it's starting to come through a little bit. We're almost done. My arms were so tired. I wonder if Selena did her own hair. Did she have a hairdresser? I can't remember. I know she did her own makeup a lot of the times. Now for a piece like that, just get a pin. I don't know why I didn't fix it, but get a pin and fix that because I don't know what I was doing there. But I still think that it was doing what it was supposed to do. And the assignment is still not failed. Yeah, I'm liking it. Okay, so I did take a pin. Okay, I wasn't slacking too hard. I kind of like it like that because it's giving it a higher feel. So I do like it like that. So now we got to put our famous swoop, swoosh, whatever that would be considered. Gonna put that up there. And do the same thing that we did with the other bun. And we are going to swirl it. Like I said, get you a rat tooth comb because this comb is for the birds, literally. So many issues with this. Okay, she was starting to come through. Now you can either leave it hooked like that or you can make it into a full circle. I didn't mind the hook, so I just left it that way. But I like it. Pretty cool. Do I like it? Yep, I do. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.